Things are hectic for Umusa as Umamboganze and Uketiwe planned a family meeting for him. And honestly, I do believe that Uketiwe would love to knock some sense into Umusa. She goes like, when Musa, oh, do you honestly think Obabumkulu Nendaba now? Well, we all know that Ukwabe cares less about Umusa. The only thing that Ukwabe is doing use Umusa, and surprisingly, Umusa cannot see this. And it is quite annoying, Okay, uba like, kodwa Musa, oh, why can't you see this? Meanwhile, Nkosiyami, our makhoti uba home, sana wazovusa umuzi uba home like higher. Because what do you mean? What do you mean that she is also mingling into family business? Okay, like a baby girl is like, Musa, this is not the way to go between you and Uzwelake. And Uzwelake, the only thing that he ever wanted was to care for you, He even told me about you the first day we met, and it's like his big, huge responsibility as to guide you into becoming a better man, And for some reason, it seems like Umusa felt something. And Umusa it means agaze engibonise. Guys, when you love someone, it's important to be vulnerable and affectionate with them, depending on what kind of a relationship it is. Brother, sister, girlfriend, wife, whatever, But allow yourself to be vulnerable and assure them that you do really love or care about them. Because to me, it comes across as if Umusa Nkosiyami like really had no idea what Uzwelake uyamthanda. If anything, maybe Uzwelake want to see him in trouble, while else he's being praised as a good, responsible boy. I guess, Sana, it does seem like Amazwi Kabahumi worked on Umusa, because Umusa goes straight to Uzwelake's bedroom and be like, hi, Uzwelake, can I talk to you? And Uzwelake and Umusa uba like, listen, I feel like there is really no need ukuthi mina nawe silwe, And Uzwelake uba sarcastic, uba like, mina nawe siyalwa, ayibo Umusa, oh, mna ngikuLuis, nanokuthi mina nawe siyalwa, angazi, ngizwa ngawe, but me, angilwi nje nawe, And then, then Umusa is like, okay, since singalwi, please, may we mend things, may we try to mend things, to a certain point. Can you come back to the company? And also like you say, company, no, angibuyi ke mina company, that's just one place where I don't want to be in it, And meanwhile, bandla uMampokazi uthi yazini ayingize ngiyekele nje mina uGcwabe ethathe ifele ingane sami, and uMampokazi is willing to go and fight for the company. She goes like, listen, that company is mine. Okay, the company is mine. And she comes with a lawyer, I guess, son. I'm like, halala Mampokazi. She's like, but the company is mine. And I'm like, Mampokazi, you have a point. The company is yours, because it's yours, your late husband's. I guess being sarcastic and all that. He goes like, Uba, mina ngumkhize, so therefore company yami. Like, he just loves being sarcastic in that manner. And then it appears uMampokazi ain't going to win this battle. Like, not now at least. She is not winning the battle, because now uGcwabe even goes as far as to give him some guys in Impep. And I see a disaster coming. I see clients pulling out. Like, I see the company, I see a disaster just coming. And obviously, Umusa is not fit to run any company whatsoever. Not that we are looking down on him, but he does not look like he's fit to run any company. Hi guys, ukhamba lugcine luphahlakile, and you guess right, so uGcwabe ubela ezobrega, And when uGcwabe walked in, Umusa uba like, oh, ungafika ngahle Gcwabe because ngibiza family meeting. UMampokazi uthi hayibo Musa, usukwazi ukubiza ama-family meeting emzini wami. Uthi nje uMusa kusekhaya la ngizoyibiza i-family meeting mina. So uGcwabe-ke hayi uyababonisa-ke ukuthi ukhamba lwakhe Nkosi yami ligcine lithe phahla kinsi. And I'm like, kodwa Gcwabe, bese ungahlala kanjani ukhamba lungaphihliki because uze waqukula elikhulu leli itshe ngulukudu yetshe uzama ukuphihliza lolu khamba. Anyways, this also scares Uzwelakhe a bit, realizing that maybe this could mean I'm really not part of the Mkhize family. Kodwa guys, ngisacela ukubuza shame indoda enjani efana noGcwabe. Hey, uyingena kanjani ngempela indaba zakomunye umuzi ngalendlela? Like ungene indabeni zakomunye umuzi ubona ukuthi hayi ngaze ngangena. Ngiphakathi futhi nje akekho nomuntu ozongikhipha at this point. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, uGcwabe have his own family, his own house, and his own problems that he should be worried about. But no, he's worried about his brother's family because this is his brother's family. And to just keep on being in his brother's house, to always emphasize Uzwelakhe is not his brother's son. I'm just like, uGcwabe, ngempela unazo inkinga zomuzi wakho, you know? And I like the fact that Uzwelakhe at some point asked him ukuthi ay ngeke Gcwabe awusho nje lokwangempela. Usho ukuthi wena njengoGcwabe awunazo inkinga zakwakho o ungazulwe ngendlela olwa ngayo ulwele ifa lenye indoda. I'm like kodwa ngempela like hayibo, like I am in no position ukuthi mina I can fight my sister's children. Ngilwe nje impela ngilwisa ingane kasisi wami yabona nje ngihlakanaphi because that was her family. I have my own family to focus on. Guys, it turns out ukuthi u-auntie uyazi isikrithi kaMaMbokazi. The only thing that I hate in this storyline is this thing of Mambokazi dragging. Like, it's so annoying. Mambokazi nathi sifuna ukwazi isikrithi ubani ubaba kaZwelakhe. You know, we want to know what happened and how did uKhethokuhle, your late husband, accept ukuthi wena unomntwana. We really want to know that. Uzwelakhe also tried to mend a relationship with his brother uMusa, but uMusa at this point he is still too angry because he feels he has always been sidelined by this family and he just feels like this family is not genuine towards him. So he's just like okwangoku ndi angry kesana and I don't want to talk about it. I'm like I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. If he feels like he's still too angry, he feels like he's still too angry. Perhaps one day he will be able to process everything. Waze wakhohlakala uGcwabe. Waze wangcola uGcwabe. Ngiyazi mina into enje. Angiyazi into enje angifuna nokuqapha amanga. Hayibo waze wakhohlakala ubaba. Hi. Hayi-ke guysini akuyena yini phela uGcwabe uthi nje yena njengenhloko yekhaya ufila responsible ukuthi kumele kube uyena umuntu nje rightful okumele ahambe eyokhipha uZwelakhe esibongweni. Uthi nje uZwelakhe usebenzisa isibongo ekungesona futhi nje uZwelakhe kumele ephume esibongweni. So therefore uyaya-ke lapha kwaMambokazi and uZwelakhe uthi ayibo ngiyaphi nawe mina ngiyaphi nawe angiyilapho mina. Uthi no mina sihambe semnambithi so that ngizokukhipha kahle esibongweni because usebenzisa isibongo ekungesona. Even nale ntombazana uyilobolile nje uyifayile nje amabhadi ngane yabantu ukuyinika isibongo ekungesona esakho. Uthi uZwelakhe okay, you know what, it's fine Gcwabe hamba wena emnambithi inkinga ayikho but mina angiyi. Hayi-ke uGcwabe wabantu proceed uyaya uyoshisa impepho. Khuluma nabadala guyzini uthi nje mina njengomina yimi I am the rightful heir. I am the leader of this family. So therefore mina ngiyabona ukuthi kudlaliwe ngane abantu abadala. You were all deceived ngokuthi nithatha ingane engeyona yenu. So mina-ke njengo-rightful heir walayikhaya ngizokhipha uZwelakhe esibongweni. Oh my guys, I mean that's funny. That part was funny to me. Ubani ngempela oshisa impepho esho kanjalo emadlozini. Uthi nje mina ngithi ngizokhipha uZwelakhe esibongweni. So therefore wathatha ukhamba-ke guyzini. Lolu khamba ngathi beninomqombothi. But I'm like, ugaye nini uGcwabe ugaye lo bani? But I'm like, okay, no, that's fine. And then wathatha inkosi yami ukuhamba wathi uzama ukulibulala. Wathi nje yabona nje lolu kuhamba mase selfile, this will be then a sign or a symbol ukuthi hayi ngempela uzwelakhe usephumile esibongweni sakaMkhize, sekazozibona ukuthi ufana nobani. Hey, lwathi ukuhamba uyangazi kahle mina. Lathi ukuhamba lalela sabangani mina nawe. Lathi ukuhamba soze ayi yey ngeke. Ayi ukuhamba bandla ungichazile andifuni ukungasho, like bengi happy, I was so impressed ngokuhamba. Lwathi nje ukuhamba eyibo asihlobene nanokuhlobana nje. Asibona ngisho nabangani, so nje please iyeke lento othi uyayizama ayizameki vele uyiyeke. So that was that on uNgcwabe and his attempts yokukhipha Uzwelakhe esibongweni. And I think this is a sign ukuthi bandla Uzwelakhe, as much as he is not Mkhize by blood, but he was accepted as Mkhize, and even amadlozi akaMkhize accepted him. So nje into ezanywa uNgcwabe akayiyeke. And even ngisho umsawenkosi Uzwelakhe's brother, hayi useyithwele uye indlela akayibona ngayo sibe nje ibize ngondlalifa imondlalifa la. And I know that he will be influenced and poisoned by uNgcwabe. That boy knows absolutely nothing about running a business. But anyway, mina, I must say that I was happy and satisfied ukubona uNgcwabe disappointed. Amadlozi I'm disappointed, shame. Asamadlozi no, asibona phela abangani thina. Thina siyam accept nje Uzwelakhe, asinankinga noZwelakhe clearly. Icacile. Ukuthi umuntu onenkinga noZwelakhe wena, thina sinayo. Listen, uNgcwabe is a weapon formed against Uzwelakhe. Because what do you mean? What do you mean that men enjoy making Zwelakhe's life thus difficult? Now he shows up at work. He has apparently called a family, no, not a family meeting, rather, a work meeting with the employees. I'm guessing he wants to announce the new management, which is himself. And Uzwelakhe is like pissed, he goes out and be like, "Hi, UNgcwabe, what exactly are you doing?" And uNgcwabe is like, "Listen, just go wait in the office. I will come back and address you as well." So he addresses the workers that, many things about to change within the company. And he goes back to Uzwelakhe and he's like, "Hey, because you are within the Mkhize premises. You are within the Mkhize company. What is your surname again? Sithini isibongo sakho?" And you know that he's trying to mock Uzwelakhe. And uthi nje, "Oh, I forgot ukuthi konje vele isibongo sakho awusazi sana." Like Uzwelakhe uyasho ukuthi kodwa Mkhize, Ngcwabe yini inkinga yakho owawusho? Because akwazi ukuthi ulwa kangaka ulwela nje i-business lenye indoda. And I'm just like, vele, this makes zero sense. Like 0 sense. This is why I'm like, listen, if there is a weapon formed against Uzwelakhe, it has to be uNgcwabe. Like, Gcwabe legit is a weapon formed against Uzwelakhe. Meanwhile, shame bandla Mkhize. Mkhize usinikeza fresh air, shame. Oh, baby girl. Why am I calling her Mkhize? I'm sorry, Mbokazi. Oh, baby girl still refuses to tell us who's kahle ubani ubaba kaZwelakhe. Personally, I want to know, because now I'm here making assumptions. My assumption is probably, something bad happened to Mbokazi, like someone forced himself on her, and that's how she conceived Uzwelakhe. And Ukhetho, her late husband, knew about this. And he was like, "Listen, it's fine. It's okay. I will take over. I will take the boy and I will raise the boy as my own." Like, that's the only logical thing that I'm thinking. Because remember, when it was Mbokazi's lobola, it came out ukuthi angazi kwakuno auntie who was really making her to do nasty things with men. You get? It was something like that. So I'm thinking she conceived Uzwelakhe around that time. and uKetsokuhle found out and was like, listen, you're gonna be my wife regardless, and I'm gonna raise this boy as my own. This is the only logical thing that I'm thinking. But also I'm like, yindaba uMampokazi ethi we must make our own assumptions, because at this point it looks like uMampokazi uthi nje lalelani, if niyayifuna kangako iy'ndaba zakwami, make your own assumptions, because I ain't ready to give you indzaba zakwami. And kesana, I'm telling you, we are left to speculate. Hey, let's talk about Zwelakhe being romantic. Kesana, oh sana. Hi, shame, indoda must be romantic. Indoda must be a romantic man. Because what do you mean that he like officially proposes to Ubahumi? A big stone, Kasana, biggest stone of you know, in a parachute, the way baby boop, I Kasana, be boop, I'm like, Hi, gag is such romanticness when a man gives you the biggest stone that you have ever seen in your whole life. While you guys are flying, get parachutes, oh, sana, ubu romantic obungaka. Uzwelakhe with romanticness, ne? Oh, this relationship, overall, sana, it gives me chills, you know, it makes me believe in love. Oh, I believe in love. Yeah, guys, what do you all think? Sana was wakhohlakala uGcwabe. Listen, the cat is out of the bag because uGcwabe decided ukuthi nje yena he can no longer hold a secret anymore, and went in front of everybody, in front of phambi kwabantu ke sana, and announces ukuthi uZwelakhe is not Ketsokuhle's son. So them kids were busy celebrating Zwelakhe's lobola. Everything went well, you know. Zwelakhe and Bahumi were updating each other. Things was going accordingly, you know, until guess who arrives? uGcwabe. Sana, I'm defeated. I am so defeated because uGcwabe is beyond ukhohlakala. Angazi ukuthi I can ever found words to describe uGcwabe. If someone says described uGcwabe, baby boy walks in and called the whole thing shameful and be like, yeah, Zwelakhe, have you forgotten ukuthi wena awuyena ingane kaKetsokuhle? And then he therefore started calling uMampokazi names. Ukuthi, yeah, wena Mampokazi uyiseqamgwaqo, this, that, and the other thing. And I'm like, Haibo. And also he says, uMampokazi umphoxile ubhuti wakhe, like umphoxile ubhuti wami wena, and you were just a disgraceful wife to my brother. I'm like, bro, uzazelaphi indaba zabantu ababili? Like, how do you know such information? Ukuthi, like, how did your brother truly feels about his wife? You know what I mean? And then Uzwelakhe also lost his cool, because like any other human being, you wouldn't want your mom to be insulted, you know. Zwelakhe is like, hey, yebaba, uzobala magama akho when you are addressing my mom. You know, you will start counting your words. You will start knowing who exactly are you addressing. You will not address my mom in that manner. I will not have you addressing my mother in that manner. Before you know it, now the whole commotion, Umusa Wenkosi Zwelakhe's younger brother, naye, you know, he's like, oh yeah, now I understand, everything makes sense now. This is why you had us doing the DNA test. You knew very well that you might not be our father's child, so therefore you decided to conduct this DNA test, okay? Umhlaba also felt a bit betrayed, you know, ukuthi haibo, what is happening now? and Umhlaba like left the whole scene. Umhlaba was like, listen, I'm leaving the whole thing. I can't handle what is happening, because what do you mean? Like, what is happening right now, So Umhlaba left the whole scene. And I do believe that uGcwabe